When people think of success, they often imagine individuals who have achieved their goals without any challenges or setbacks. However, the reality is that many successful business owners have faced numerous obstacles and hardships along the way. While these challenges can be difficult to overcome, many successful entrepreneurs actually view them as opportunities for growth and resilience. This is because they understand that pain can be a powerful teacher that can help them develop the skills and mindset they need to achieve their goals. Marathon. You run every day, even when it's raining or you're feeling tired. You know that the more you train, the stronger and more resilient you'll become. It's the same with life. When you face challenges and setbacks, you're actually training your resilience muscle. The more you overcome, the stronger and more adaptable you'll become. Number 2, pain fosters creativity. When faced with difficult situations, people are often forced to think outside the box and come up with innovative solutions. Imagine you're in the kitchen trying to bake a cake. You follow the recipe carefully, but somehow the cake ends up flat and dense. You're disappointed, but you also know that you can't just give up. So, you start to think outside the box. Maybe you need to add more baking powder. Or maybe you should bake the cake for a shorter amount of time. You experiment until you finally find a solution that works. This is just one example of how pain can foster creativity. When we're faced with difficult situations, we're often forced to think in new and innovative ways. We have to break free from our old patterns of thinking and find new solutions. This can be a frustrating process, but it can also be incredibly rewarding. When we finally overcome a challenge, we feel a sense of accomplishment and pride. We also learn new skills and develop new ways of thinking that can be helpful in other areas of our lives. Number 3. Pain enhances empathy. Experiencing pain firsthand can make people more compassionate and understanding of others' struggles. Imagine you're walking down the street and see someone stumble and fall, scraping their knee. You immediately wince and feel a surge of empathy, as if you can feel their pain yourself. This is because our brains have a remarkable ability to mirror the emotions and experiences of others, especially when it comes to pain. When we see someone in pain, our brains activate the same areas that would be activated if we were experiencing the pain ourselves. This shared neural activation allows us to understand not just the physical sensations of pain, but also the emotional distress that comes with it. As a result, experiencing pain firsthand can make us more compassionate and understanding of others' struggles. We can better imagine what they're going through and feel more motivated to help them. Number 4. Pain drives growth. Pain can be a powerful motivator, pushing people to achieve more than they thought possible. Think of pain like a strong coach pushing you to become the best version of yourself. Just like a coach pushes an athlete to reach their full potential, pain can motivate you to push beyond your comfort zone and achieve things you never thought possible. Imagine you're trying to run a marathon for the first time. The training is tough, the pain is real, but you keep pushing yourself because you're determined to finish the race. That pain is what drives you to dig deep, to find your inner strength, and to persevere. Similarly, in business, pain can be a powerful motivator. When you face challenges and setbacks, it can push you to think outside the box, to find innovative solutions, and to work harder than ever before. So, don't shy away from pain. Embrace it, learn from it, and use it to your advantage. Pain is not your enemy, it's your teacher, your motivator, and your key to growth. Number 5. Pain provides perspective. Imagine you've never tasted chocolate before. You've never experienced the rich, creamy texture or the delightful sweetness that melts in your mouth. If someone were to describe it to you, you might understand the concept, but you wouldn't truly appreciate the experience until you tasted it for yourself. Similarly, when we experience pain, it can help us appreciate the good things in life in a way that we wouldn't otherwise be able to. When we're healthy and pain-free, we often take our good health for granted. We don't realize how precious it is until we lose it. Pain can also help us appreciate the little things in life. When we're in pain, we may find ourselves savoring the simple pleasures, like the warmth of the sun on our skin or the taste of a cool drink. So, While pain is certainly not something we enjoy, it can serve a valuable purpose. It can help us appreciate the good things in life and take nothing for granted. Number 6. Pain builds character. Facing adversity can help develop inner strength, determination, and perseverance. Imagine life as a video game. The more challenges you overcome, the stronger your character becomes. Just like in a video game, facing adversity in real life can help you develop inner strength, determination, and perseverance. When you go through tough times, you learn to adapt, overcome obstacles, and never give up. This can make you a more resilient and successful person in all areas of life, including business. Of course, no one wants to experience pain or hardship, but if you can learn to see these challenges as opportunities for growth, you will be better equipped to handle whatever life throws your way. Number 7. Pain teaches humility. Experiencing failure or setbacks can help keep people grounded and prevent them from becoming arrogant. Consider a wealthy real estate mogul who has built a vast portfolio of properties. They may have initially approached their business with a sense of entitlement and superiority, believing that their wealth and success make them superior to others. However, if they encounter a market downturn or face unforeseen challenges in their projects, they will be forced to confront the limitations of their power and wealth. They will need to rely on the expertise and collaboration of others to navigate these challenges and regain their footing. In this process, they may develop a deeper appreciation for the contributions of their team members, the importance of empathy in dealing with clients and partners, and the humility to admit their own mistakes and learn from setbacks. As the wealthy business owner navigates these humbling experiences, they come to realize that their success is not solely due to their individual brilliance or wealth, but rather the result of collective effort, collaboration, and a willingness to learn from setback. This newfound humility serves as a valuable foundation for their future endeavors. Number 8. Pain leads to self-discovery. Pain can prompt people to reflect on their values, goals, and what truly matters in life. One day, Alex is involved in a serious car accident that leaves him with life-changing injuries. Confined to a hospital bed, unable to work or engage in his usual activities, Alex is forced to confront his life choices and reflect on what truly matters to him. He begins to question his relentless pursuit of wealth and success, realizing that he has sacrificed his health, relationships, and personal happiness in the process. As Alex slowly recovers, he starts to rediscover the simple joys in life, spending time with loved ones, appreciating nature, and engaging in activities that bring him genuine happiness. He realizes that true fulfillment comes not from material possessions or external validation, but from meaningful connections, personal growth, and a sense of purpose. Alex's experience of pain and hardship serves as a catalyst for self-discovery, prompting him to reevaluate his values, goals, and priorities. He emerges from his ordeal with a newfound appreciation for life, a stronger sense of self, and a determination to live a more balanced and fulfilling life. Number 9. Pain strengthens relationships. Sharing struggles with loved ones can deepen bonds and strengthen connections. Consider a wealthy business owner who faces a sudden downturn in the market. Their company's profits plummet, and they're forced to make difficult decisions about layoffs and cost-cutting measures. This situation can be incredibly stressful and isolating. But if the business owner turns to their loved ones for support, they can find a lifeline in the midst of the storm. Their spouse or partner can offer a listening ear, a shoulder to cry on, and a reminder of their strengths and accomplishments. Their children can provide a sense of perspective and a reminder of the simple joys in life. And their friends can offer advice, encouragement, and maybe even connections to potential solutions. Through shared struggles, the business owner's relationships deepen. Their loved ones gain a deeper understanding of their challenges and the toll they're taking. And the business owner feels the love, support, and encouragement they need to navigate these difficult times. Number 10. Pain contributes to a meaningful life. Embracing challenges and setbacks can lead to a more fulfilling and purposeful life. Imagine a wealthy business owner named Sarah, who has built a thriving empire from the ground up. Sarah's journey wasn't without its challenges. She faced numerous setbacks, from initial rejections to financial struggles and market downturns. But Sarah didn't let these obstacles define her. Instead, she embraced them as opportunities for growth and learning. With each challenge she overcame, Sarah grew stronger, wiser, and more resilient. She learned to adapt to changing circumstances, make sound decisions under pressure, and motivate others to achieve their best. These experiences not only contributed to her business success, but also enriched her personal life. Sarah's willingness to embrace challenges transformed her into a more empathetic and compassionate leader. She understood the struggles of her employees and customers, fostering a sense of connection and loyalty within her organization. Her resilience and determination also inspired others to pursue their dreams and face their own challenges with courage. Sarah's story exemplifies how pain can contribute to a meaningful life. By embracing challenges and setbacks, we can develop resilience, creativity, empathy, and the other qualities that make us stronger and more fulfilled. The path to success is not always smooth, but the lessons we learn along the way can shape us into better individuals, leaders, and contributors to society. Pain. It's something we all experience. It's something we all try to avoid. But for wealthy business owners, pain is not something to be feared. In fact, it's something to be embraced. Why? Because pain is a teacher. It teaches us resilience, creativity, and empathy. It drives us to grow, to achieve more than we ever thought possible. It gives us perspective, it builds our character, and it leads to self-discovery. Pain is not easy. It's not fun, but it's necessary. It's what makes us who we are. It's what makes us strong, successful, and fulfilled. So don't be afraid of pain. Embrace it. Learn from it. Grow from it. And become the best version of yourself. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe.